Alright class, if you're watching this video, we might need just a little bit extra help making those graphic organizers. And again, those graphic organizers are just a fancy way of saying how we're putting our information together so we can remember it easily. So let's go ahead and go over again. We're representing numbers up to 10. And remember, representing means to show, illustrate, draw a picture of. You're going to show me how many something is. So if I say show me 5, you can hold up all 5 fingers in your hand. Let's go ahead and use some of our math graphic organizers. You remember this from kindergarten? It's called our Make 10 because if it's filled completely, it makes a total of 10. Let me go ahead and fill it out with our place value blocks. Here are our units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3, 4 units, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see if I have a unit cube in each of these boxes in the Make 10, if it fills completely, it makes 10. So this is one way to represent the value of 10. Good job. Let me go ahead and take some out, take some out, take some out, take some out. Go ahead, talk to someone at your house about how much this might be. What value is represented here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. If you got 6, great, great, great job. Now, if you notice at the bottom of my notebook, I have my number line. It's always a great thing to have your number line present because if you have trouble representing these amounts, well, you can always go to your number line and count. Remember those jumps we talked about? Yes. Well, let's go ahead and count together one time. Always start at 0 because even though it means nothing, it still has a value of nothing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. If ever you get stuck on how much one of these values might be, well, you can just go ahead and match up how many is there in the picture. And at the top, touching the first one, that's 1. Here's 1. And just count along together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome, awesome job. And remember to keep in mind that these are called unit cubes, place value blocks, and we use them to show lots of representations. We have our units right there. We have our rods right there. And then the next place value up are our flats and 100s. So use this video to go ahead and help you to complete some of your work. Parents, if you're watching, it's great if you have a deck of cards. The deck of cards already represents the values of each of those numbers. So I can go ahead and put my numbers out from the cards. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's great because the values of the cards are already represented. Here's 10, class. Let's go ahead and count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have the pictorial representation of that. You have the numeral, the number, and then you have the word of the number also. Use this class to be doing your independent work this week.